I'm James, one of the co-founders of Avion. Whether you're trying to discover your product with the team, or you're trying to translate designs into deliverables, it can be quite difficult to initially figure out what you're going to build and how you're going to build it. Once you've defined your backbone, you can start to explore the entire scope of your product. Now, this is an exercise that can be done collaboratively. Either share your screen and drive the session, or invite the team into your story map as collaborators. Don't worry, you'll see everyone's ideas in real time in Avion. Fill the unplanned area with high-level user story titles. There's no need for too much detail at this point. Attempt to cover the entire breadth of your potential product scope, and there's no commitment to build everything you track here, so use this as a place and time to track stakeholders' ideas and even blue sky thinking. Once you've tracked everything you can think of, you can start to reorder the stories from the most important to the least important. This only needs to be a rough ordering, but it will really help us with the next exercise, creating releases. At this point, conversations should start to be opening up, with different opinions but consensus forming around the importance of certain features. It's all about using Avion as a means for successful conversation.